Hello everyone. In this question, what we have to do is that we have to find the shortest subarray. If we sort the shortest subarray, then the whole subarray becomes sorted. So in this example number 1, if we sort the array from 6 to 9, the whole subarray will become sorted. And the length of the subarray is 5. So we have to return the length of the subarray. So in the second example, the whole subarray, whole array is sorted, so we have to return 0 because everyone is in its original position and in the correct position. So the first approach would be we'll take an extra array and store its value of the original value, store original value of the original array in it, and sort the array and check if the uh, elements are in its correct position or not. If the elements are not in its correct position, then we will take the minimum element which is not in its position and the maximum element which is not present in its original position, and take the length, return the length of the subset, and that will be our answer. This approach would take around big of n log n solution and big of n solution, but we have to make subarray. We have to find the length of the subarray in big of n as the question says. So what we will do, let's see, we will find the minimum element which is not present in its subarray, which is not present in its correct position, and the maximum element which is not present in the correct position, and subtract the indices and find the length of the subarray. So let's see how to find the length of the subarray. So I will just create a variable x which is equal to the number of 5. I'll just create a variable max which will store the index of the maximum element which is not in its original position, and I will create a min variable which will store the value of the minimum variable which is not in its position, and we will find the we will traverse the array and find the value of the max and min. So let's traverse the array I is less than I plus 1. So to find the condition, we have to check what condition we will use. So if if nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1, this will be our condition for the sorted. To find the condition which is to find the element which is not present in its original position, so we have to uh, put here greater, then we will able to find the correct position which is not present in the original position. Similarly for I minus 1 also, nums of I will be smaller and nums of I minus 1 will be greater. So what I will do, we'll put the value of max, sorry, we have to initialize min and max here. Here we have to find the max nums of I, min, min of min, and nums of I. But this condition is only valid for when the I is not at position 0 and n minus 1. So for the I equals to 0, we have to write another condition. If nums of I is greater than nums of 1, then we have to write the same which we have wrote here, and else if I equals to n minus 1, for this I plus 1 will be not be there, so we will write nums of I will be greater than nums of I plus 1. We'll write here. So we have find the value of the min and max. So we will check if the element is sorted already, if the array is sorted already, so the value of max will be int minimum, and value of min will be, and the value of the min is equals to int max, then the array is already sorted, so we'll return 0. Else if we have to find the indexes of the max element and the min element, so we'll create two variables ing for int. So we'll initialize I equals to 0, we'll go up to I less than it, and then if nums of I is less than equals to I, then I minus minus, this will find the value of the minimum element, index of the minimum element, and ij equals to n minus 1, j is greater than equal to 0, and then nums of j is greater than max, sorry, min max j minus minus. After that we'll return j minus plus 1, and if the element size of the array is 1, we'll return 0 also. Let's just run it. Oops. Where we are finding it, oh sorry, here will be I plus plus. Let's see if it's working or not. Again, where is the error? Oh, the error is here. There will not be any I plus 1 for I minus 1. There will be, and the cut. Let's see if it's working. Let's submit it. Yeah, so it worked. Thank you for watching.